think I'm tangled in my line. Yeah, I'm tangled in my line. He don't look like a very big one. But it's a fish. Another dink fish, but it's a fish. I was out here earlier. I didn't catch nothing, so I went and got some fresh bait and came back. This is on a bluegill head. I had skipjack, bluegill, and shad. And I caught this on a bluegill head. Real yellow. Check it out. I ain't even gonna weigh him up. He looked like he about 10 pounds. I'm gonna let him go. One down, see if we can catch us another one.